In this video, I'll guide you through how to group tasks in Microsoft To Do so you can break bigger jobs into clear, manageable pieces. Let's start with the basic idea. In Microsoft To Do, you might have a large task like plan presentation or organize event. On its own, that single line can feel a bit overwhelming, and it's easy to forget smaller pieces. Grouping tasks by adding steps lets you turn that one big task into a series of simple actions you can work through one at a time. It keeps everything related in one place while still giving you a sense of progress as you check things off. First, open Microsoft To Do and find the main task you want to break down. This could be something already on your list, or you might quickly create a new task with a short title. Once you see it in your list, click on that task to open the detail view. The detail view is the panel that appears on the side of your screen and shows more information about the task you selected. When the detail view is open, you'll see options related to that task, such as due dates, reminders, and notes. Look for the option that says Add Step. It usually appears right under the task title in the detail panel. Go ahead and click the Add Step button. Now you can start breaking your main task into smaller, grouped items. After you click Add Step, a new line appears where you can type. Think of each step as one clear action you need to take to fully complete that main task. For example, if your main task is plan presentation, your steps might be outline key points, create slides, and rehearse. Type the first small item, then press enter. A new line will appear for the next step and you can keep going. Continue adding all the smaller items required to finish that task. There's no strict rule for how many steps you should add. Include enough that you can move through the task comfortably without feeling lost, but not so many that it becomes cluttered. Each step should feel like something you can reasonably complete in one sitting or in a short chunk of time. As you work, you can click the checkbox next to each step to mark it as done. This is where grouping really helps. Even if the main task still isn't fully finished, you'll see progress as those steps get checked off. It's motivating, and it also makes it easy to see exactly what's left to do. If you ever realize you missed something, just go back into the detail view, click Add Step again, and type in the new item. You can also edit a step by clicking on its text and updating it, or remove it if it's no longer needed. That's all there is to it. By opening the task's detail view, clicking Add Step, and listing all the smaller items required, you turn a single, vague task into a well-organized group of clear actions. This simple habit can make your Microsoft To-Do lists more structured, more actionable, and much easier to stay on top of.